أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفأمن الذين مكروا السيئات أن يخسف الله بهم الأرض أو يأتيهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون. Do those who continue to plot evil think that they are safe from Allah commanding the ground to sink under their feet, or that the punishment seizes them suddenly while they are unaware of what is coming ahead? أو يأخذهم في تقلبهم فما هم بمعجزين, or that he may seize them night or day, wherever they may be or whatever they may be doing, and they can never frustrate his will. أو يأخذهم على تخوف فإن ربكم لرؤوف رحيم, or that he may seize them through gradual calamitous change that affect their daily lives as a further warning, for your Lord is extremely clement and most compassionate. أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى مَا خَلَقَ اللَّهُ مِنْ شَيْءٍ يَتَفَيَّأُ ظِلَالُهُ عَنِ الْيَمِينِ وَالشَّمَائِلِ سُجَّدًا لِلَّهِ وَهُمْ دَاخِرُونَ. Can they not see all around them what Allah has created, all of which stretch out to the right and to the left, following their shadows till they reach the point of their prostration, and bow submissively in compliance before the divine sovereign Lord? وَلِلَّهِ يَسْجُدُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ مِنْ دَابَّةٍ وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ وَهُمْ لَا يَسْتَكْبِرُونَ. And to Allah bow in prostration all those who are in the heavens and each and every walking creature on the earth, as well as the angels without arrogance or disdain. يَخَافُونَ رَبَّهُم مِّن فَوْقِهِمْ وَيَفْعَلُونَ مَا يُؤْمَرُونَ. They fear their Lord whose absolute command rules over them, and they submit to him and comply fully with his command. وَقَالَ اللَّهُ لَا تَتَّخِذُوا إِلَٰهَيْنِ اثْنَيْنِ إِنَّمَا هُوَ إِلَٰهٌ وَاحِدٌ فَإِيَّايَ فَارْهَبُونَ. And Allah said, do not take two divinities. There is only one divine sovereign Lord. Therefore fear no one else besides me. وَلَهُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلَهُ الدِّينُ وَاصِبًا أَفَغَيْرَ اللَّهِ تَتَّقُونَ. And to him belongs everything in the heavens and on earth, and the perpetuous religious obedience is due exclusively to him. Then why would you fear anyone other than him? وَمَا بِكُم مِّن نِّعْمَةٍ فَمِنَ اللَّهِ ثُمَّ إِذَا مَسَّكُمُ الضُّرُّ فَإِلَيْهِ تَجْأَرُونَ. Whatever blessings you enjoy in this life all come from him, and then when a misfortune touches you, here you raise your voices loud, beseeching him. ثم إذا كشف الضر عنكم إذا فريق منكم بربهم يشركون. And once he removes your adversity, a group of you still alleges associate to their Lord. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this holy knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen, Ya Rabbal Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.